Okay, it looks like you already got this one, but let me go ahead and post a video in case anyone else has the same question. So what this is saying is to multiply f times g and evaluate that at -2. So there's a couple of things we could do. We could literally write these out. Let me go ahead and do that real quick. So negative 9x plus 14, and then x minus 7. So it doesn't matter if I evaluate it in this form or if I multiplied it all out and then plugged in the -2. It's a lot of algebra with some steps to make an error to FOIL all this out and collect terms. So I probably would not choose to do that, and I would just plug the -2 in directly. But so we're doing our f times g right there and then evaluating that at -2. So plugging that in, we'll get -9 times -2 plus 14, and then -2 minus 7. From there, we just need to clean up each of these and simplify, and then multiply those two results together. So this would go 18 plus 14, minus 2 minus 7 would be minus 9, 18 and 14 would be 28, 32, times -9, and I think if you multiply those together, I think that comes out to -288. And that's kind of what there is to it. You're going to multiply the functions, or you're going to multiply the results. And here, if you notice, I never actually multiply the functions because, again, it's just a bunch of extra work. In terms of how I wrote this in the notes, I think I said f of -2 equals this evaluated at -2. And then you get the exact same 32 right there. And I did g of -2, so -2 minus 7, that makes -9. And I said, okay, so that's our f of -2, that's our g of -2, and now let's multiply those two results together. So I think I wrote each of these separately just to try to be a little bit more clear. This gets a little cumbersome looking. So here I just turned each of these into a number and then multiplied together to get the same thing. So that is how you would do those.